Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Marissa, and in today's video I'm just going to be showing you guys my go-to look when I'm wearing glasses, because like I wear contacts all the time, but sometimes I don't feel like wearing contacts. I just want to put my glasses on and then I want to be out and about doing my thing, but then I still want to look cute. I just want to look chic, you know. I just want to look innocent and mysterious, but like underneath it all, just like this one sexy human being. But yeah, sometimes it's kind of hard to create like a look, especially on the eyes when you're wearing glasses, because then it's gonna be covered by the frame. For you guys who likes to wear lashes, like falsies, you know how they tend to like touch the lens when you're like blinking. I found the perfect lashes that would go with this look, and you know, it won't be like touching. It's gonna look like super luscious and like long and wispy, but at the same time it won't be like annoying, you know. So ladies and gentlemen, if you are interested in how to get this look, just keep on watching. All right, so put my hair up a little bit, get my hair out of the way, and I put my contacts on because I'm blind, so I need them to see. All right, so starting off, I'm just gonna be taking the Photo Finish primer by Smashbox, and I'm just gonna be applying it on my T-zone as usual. You can see I have like a little bit of blemish right there, right here, because you know it's that time of the month. I mean, I'm done, but like I don't know why it's just like showing up now. And for concealer, I'm just gonna be taking the e.l.f. Camo concealer in the shade Tan Sand. I'm not gonna be putting any foundation on because, as you all know, I don't really use foundation for my everyday makeup. Let's conceal that. On the forehead. I'm going to be taking this beauty sponge by e.l.f. Cosmetics, and I'm just going to be blending them in just like that. Next, I'm going to be taking this cream bronzer by Fenty. Oh, hi, by Fenty Beauty in the shade Honey Glaze. This is gonna be like a super easy and quick makeup look, since you know I personally don't, like I said, I don't really wear foundation on a daily, so this should be very quick. Oh, forgot that part. I don't know why I did that. I forgot to blend this part. All right, moving on. All right. On the nose a little bit, and to set the face, I'm just gonna be taking the Fenty Beauty loose powder in the shade in Banana. I'm just gonna be taking the beauty sponge that I was using earlier, and I'm just gonna like, well, not bake, but like basically I'm just gonna be packing them right there, because that's where the little nose thingy, so that they don't, the concealer don't slip and slide, and it won't leave like any mark, anything like that. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna be taking this big fluffy brush and brush them out. Oh, okay. All right, and for blush, I'm just gonna be taking this blush by Covergirl. Covergirl Cheekers in the shade, I forgot what shade this is. Soft Sable. Okay, it's in the shade Soft Sable. Basically just okay, cute. for the eyes, I'm not gonna do anything crazy. I'm just gonna be focusing on the liner because when you put your glasses on, sometimes you just want your eyes to pop a little bit so people can see through the lens. What I'm gonna be doing is I'm just gonna be taking this shade, what is it called? Grace, from the Makeup Revolution palette. Packing them on my crease just like that. For the base. Alright, next I'm gonna be taking that darker shade, Serenity, and I'm just gonna be packing them on my outer corner. You're gonna be wearing glasses and you definitely want your eyes to pop. Might as well for the lower lash line. Alright, then I'm just gonna be taking this liner by Colourpop. Right there. This liquid liner in the shade Grande. Just gonna be doing like a little bit of wings. Actually, not little, it's pretty long. You definitely want your eyes to pop. Perfect. Alright, liner done. Now I'm just going to be taking the Pillow Talk Push-Up Lashes by Charlotte Tilbury. I'm also going to be putting on falsies, because why not, right? Alright, so the falsies that I'm going to be taking, excuse me, I think it's by Salon Perfect. It's in the style, I'm sorry, in the style 671. These are pretty like curled up. And it's just so very like luscious and cute. I'm sorry guys, it's getting darker and I'm trying to do it as quick as possible because it was kind of nice earlier, you know? Natural lighting, the sun streaming in, but I don't know why it's like gone so fast. Is that better? Do is just place it on top. There you go. Perfect. Alright, both lashes on. I also added a little bit of mascara on my lower lash line. And moving on, we're gonna be doing highlight, and this is from Hard Candy. I don't know if you can see. Yep, that's it. The highlighter duo, and I'm just gonna be taking that one. Oh, I'm just gonna use my finger. Go tip of the nose and the bridge, also on the inner corner. This highlighter is so creamy. It's just like, I don't know, it's not that pigmented. That's that. And for lips, I'm just gonna be taking, as always, the NYX lip pencil in the shade Nude Truffle. And then I'm gonna top it off with the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in the shade Seductress. I'm dabbing it with my finger. For spray, I'm just going to be taking the It Cosmetics Your Skin But Better setting spray. The glasses on. There you go. It's the finished look. Guys, something terrible happened. I'm in the middle of editing my videos. Let me show you. There you go. And I realized that I'm missing some clips. So basically, my camera died in the middle of shooting and I sort of just forgot about it or something. But yeah, I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching. If you do like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss out on any of my future videos. And that is all for today. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.